Hello, English learners. Welcome back to TESOL Tutor. Today we have an exciting lesson for beginners as we embark on a journey to explore the world of verbs. Verbs are like the engines of our sentences, giving life and action to our words. In this video, we'll learn what verbs are, how they work, and how to use them to express actions and states in English. Let's dive into the world of verbs. First, let's understand what verbs are. Verbs are action words. They describe what someone or something does or what state they are in. Verbs are like the heart of a sentence, giving it life and meaning. For instance, instead of saying she is a song, you can say she sings a song, where sings is a verb that shows the action of singing. Verbs come in various types, and today we'll explore a few common ones. Action verbs. These describe physical or mental actions. State verbs. These describe a state or condition. Helping verbs. These assist the main verb in forming verb tenses. Let's start with action verbs, which describe physical or mental actions. She thinks about something. Thinks is an action verb. They eat breakfast. Eat is an action verb. State verbs describe a state or condition. She knows the answer. Knows is a state verb. She loves music. Loves is a state verb. Helping verbs assist the main verb in forming verb tenses. He is serving the ball. Is a helping verb. They have scored a goal. Have is a helping verb. Using verbs helps us express actions and states, making our sentences more meaningful. Verbs come after the subject of the sentence. For example, he makes a sandwich. Verbs can change based on the tense of the action. I run, you run, he runs. Verbs change to match the subject's person and number. I eat, I ate, I will eat. Let's address a couple of common mistakes beginners make when using verbs. Common mistake 1. Forgetting the S with he, she, it. Remember to add S to the verb when the subject is he, she, or it. Correct, she plays the piano. Incorrect, she play the piano. Common mistake 2. Misusing action and state verbs. Distinguish between action and state verbs. State verbs describe conditions, while action verbs describe actions. Correct, I understand the lesson. Understand is a state verb. Incorrect, I am understanding the lesson. Understanding is an action verb. Great job, beginners. You've taken your first steps into the world of verbs. Keep practicing activities with the TESOL Tutor app at tsoltutor.ca, and you'll soon be able to express actions and states in English with ease. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more ESL content. If you have questions or need further practice, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.